Hey guys, I'm TJ Chapman Auto.
The way we see and the way you do Tesla is you get a home charger, you charge it at home every night. You're gonna have whatever miles you have, whether it's a long range or short range, you have your 250 miles per day, and rent a car if you go out of town is what it comes down to. I think 95% of your driving can be done with your Model 3s, even without the supercharging. In my eyes, supercharging is not up to where gas is. To do a 4 or 5 hour drive, you're gonna have to spend an extra couple hours darting off and trying to charge it. The infrastructure is not set up big enough to make it easy enough to use the electric cars on traveling. So in my view is we need to set it up at your house, and that's what you use it for. Other than that, rent a car. You're gonna be saving tens of thousands of dollars, and if we save you that much money, it's okay to rent a car, and it's great. You can use something bigger if you need to take your whole family. You can take a 4-wheel drive that's gonna get you up in the mountains if you need to rent that. My suggestion is use it for your 95% of the driving you do, and then rent a car or use your gas car when you travel. We don't ever recommend driving a Tesla home just because of the supercharging issue. I can't guarantee that it won't get shut off, even if it works right now today. If it works right now, you're using someone else's credit card, and it's gonna hit their credit card and they're gonna turn you off, okay? And then you're gonna be stuck where you're at, and then you're gonna call me and you're gonna be upset. Range anxiety is a real thing. I've lost a few deals over range anxiety. They leave this property, they think that it's just like a normal car, and they're gonna drive to wherever they are and they're gonna get there just fine, and they don't realize how much work it is to try and find superchargers, get to superchargers, and then, you know, they're kind of unsure. They just don't quite listen and watch all our videos and learn how Teslas work, that they are a different product. I do not recommend driving a Tesla home from here. Take it shipped. Fly in here, drive it all you want all day, bring it back here and transport it to where you are. Get your home charger set up. Again, let's go over supercharging. Dealing with the rebuilt titles, Tesla is taking away supercharging from all Teslas. Kind of goes down the line. S and X's get taken away right away. Model 3s, we're having about 10%, 20% being taken away, but they're hitting you when you're driving. It's crazy. I think it's not fair that they're doing it, but it's kind of what we have to deal with. So we recommend, if you're gonna buy a Tesla from us, you get a charger at your house, and that's the way you use it, is a charger at your house. Use it for 95% of your driving. If you have to drive more than that, 280 miles in a day, you rent a car, use a gas car, or it just doesn't fit the situation in your life, and we recommend just go buy a clean title one down the road so you can use the supercharging network. But we believe in our product that you'll save tons and tons of money. You'll have a good product. Tesla's a simpler product, so there's less to break, less to have problems with, but we do have problems with the supercharging, and we can't guarantee it. Our cars are just gonna come stock. We just can't control Tesla, so I would just recommend get a charger at your house. That's how you buy our cars. You plug it in every night.
Tesla is actually a way simpler product than any other car out there. There's a third of the components is what there is in a normal car. Therefore, they're a little bit easier to fix. It's connections, and my confidence is through the roof on Tesla. It is the best product out there for your money. The reliability, the resale value is gonna be through the roof. These cars, batteries and motors are said to be million-mile motors and batteries. I believe it. I think they're gonna be pretty close. That being said, I do sell extended warranties on them. You can purchase it. It will cover batteries, it will cover motors, anything that's not maintenance, which there's not a ton of maintenance in it, but I'm not gonna cover your brakes, tires, cover all your screens, all your autopilots, all that other stuff.